welcome to this new tutorial on Blender. We're gonna cover today the basics of plotting curves, 3D curves as defined by a single parameter. So we first delete this cube, and then we go here on scripting, go on new, here go on new, and then go here, download the script that creates the curves, the Python script. I'll leave this link in the description below. So copy the script, and then yeah, there you go. We just run it, and there you go. A line. This is a part of the script you need to change if you want to change the equations. Now let's go to our layout and make it look pretty, because if you try to render this, you won't render anything because there's no thickness to our line, so you won't show anything. What we need to do is to go here on data, line data, set a line, then click on data, and then go geometry, and then go down to this bevel box and type in depth. Let's give it 5 centimeters thickness, like this. Now you can see it's perfect. You can see, and now we add the cone and the plane. Let's add the plane. Let's scale the plane up to S100. Now we need to add a color for the line to get it up to scratch. So let's go on material, set line, material, new, and then we go here base color, and we change it to a reddish line to match the thumbnail, like that. And then we go. Then render. Let's render an image. Let's have a look at the results. We got here. Oh, cool. So it goes below the cone, the line. Okay, fair enough. And then it goes. There we go. So here is the result. Nice wallpaper, I guess. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.